So don't mind my messy garage. So this is an old R22 compressor. It's a unit I replaced for my aunt last summer, and I've just had it sitting here, and I was gonna bring it to the scrapyard and just get rid of the whole thing. And I started watching videos on YouTube, and I see that people take them apart and they get the copper out the motor, and it's usually a decent amount of copper. So this is, as I showed this earlier, this is from the condenser fan motor, so it's not a lot, but there's some bolts up here. I'm not sure what size they have. I don't have a lot of tools for that, so I'm just gonna see if I can grind them off and get it open and take it out apart and see what we can come up with. As I said earlier in the earlier video, safety first. I don't know what I do with my safety glasses, but there they are. Gloves. So I got a little smarter and I put it up on the table. My kids are outside playing basketball. It's 36 degrees, so that's the music you're hearing out there. I know my garage is messy and it's dangerous what I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna just double check when I'm done to make sure nothing catches on fire.